YouTube. What's going on, guys and girls? I'm back with another boring video. Let me know if it's boring or not. But this is the new work truck that I just got. It's not in service yet. I'm still working on permits, paperwork, all that stuff. It's a fucking headache. But the holidays are in. Everybody's got Christmas lights. Let me turn this thing around so you can see me now. But everybody's got Christmas lights, decorations, ornaments, Christmas trees. So what I wanted to do, I wanted to decorate the truck. I didn't know what to do. I usually put what do you call a ribbon, a red ribbon in the front of the grill, in the front. But this time I went a little extra, as you can see. Put all kinds of ornaments. The red ribbon here. I hope I'm not restricting the airflow, but Christmas lights are working. So are these in the back, as you can see. And this video is a tutorial on how to do it on your car. Okay, so I turned on my flash. Looks better here. I parked here. It's kind of dark, I know. I kind of wanted to park here so you guys can see, you know, what it kind of looks like with the lights on at a dark place. Because you go somewhere that's lit up, it might not look that great. So the first thing I did, I was planning on putting lights on the grill, which you guys already seen. And then here, I was gonna wrap all this thing here. Not too sure what this thing is called, but most tow trucks have these bars which hold that light bar up there, which is your emergency lights that hold it in place. So what I did is decorated the whole thing. Looks crazy and cool and all that. Let me know what you guys think. So I put the lights. There's two, you got me there, I don't know, two 100s or 250s, which are 40 watts each strand of lights, plus a little bitty one that runs from here to the left all the top, and it ends right over there on the bottom. So I added that, and then here I added these as well on the what do you call it, the boom, the whole boom thing. So I don't know if you guys can see the red tape on there. That's just to keep the things in place, and the zip ties is extra precaution, that way it don't fly off. But let's get to breaking down how I did it. So thing is, all these lights are up here are connected together. The extension cords only has two. The ones on the boom, the white ones, and the green ones. There's a strand that comes from this pole and it's connected to all the ones. There's three of them. There's one wrapped around this thing here. One at the very back. You can see that the lights are right there in the back, and then they run all the way over there. And there's another strand, so there's 3, 4, 5 in total. There's not that many more. But what you need is a power inverter. I went on Amazon. It was kind of cheap. I bought mine for like $40, $36, which is not bad. Just go on Amazon. You don't need one like I have, which is 400 watts. You don't need even that much. Maybe 150 to 200 watts. Well, it depends. Just add up all your strands, your wattage, all that stuff. You're only supposed to put 200 and some watts together. It says right here. Turn it around. Shoot. It doesn't say on here, but this strand is it's on this green one, I think. I don't know. It's up there somewhere. Well, each of these strands are 40 watts. Don't go more than 200 per string, you know, connection on a, what do you call it, extension cord. But you're gonna need a power inverter, which I'm gonna show you how I did it. Okay, here's my extension cord because I didn't want to put these lights inside or, you know, smash them or be on the door. I didn't want something, you know, just sloppy and stuff. I went and did it nice. So this is where I did. I put the wire loom just for protection, make sure it doesn't cut or, you know. But if you follow it, give me a second. I'm trying to fix my stuff here. It runs all the way here. I'm going to show you guys how I did it under the truck, the chassis. And there's these things there right there. Those two things, they come off. You can just push them, pop them out, and put in a big hose, whatever you want, extension cord, whatever. So it goes through there. I'm too old. Cleaning like that. Let me take this off. Alright, actually you guys can get a picture of what it looks like. See, it's under there. So I ran it through the inside. Yeah. Extension cord comes in here and is pulled through the front. So I'm gonna go and show you what it looks like. So the extension cords come out from here. The one, all that stuff that's hooked up is on this extension cord in the back. That's all in one. All that stuff is in that dark green. And this light green is from the front, from the grill, which there's only one strand of lights. There will be more lights added, but not at the moment. So I got this inverter installed, and it has power coming from the battery because I would plug it in here. This one's out. It kept popping. It popped my fuses. I put that all there and it got really hot, the connector. So I don't know. Some inverters that you guys might buy might be able to connect through the cigarette lighter and you're gonna be fine. Your whole light's gonna work, but mine wouldn't. I don't know if it's the Dodge, the brand, the truck, connection, the inverter. I don't know, but it wouldn't support all the wattage through plugging the inverter in a cigarette lighter. So what I did, you get more wattage connecting this thing directly to the battery. See, I got another one in there. I was just trying different methods and stuff. But you hook these things to the back of the inverter. These little things. And then these clamps, like let's say you're camping and stuff, you hook up these to your battery and you get all your wattage, and it's real strong. You get all the wattage that your inverter is meant to be put out and stuff like that. So I got tired of messing with the cigarette lighters, popping fuses, all that crap. I really got tired of messing around. So I was like, how can I put this inverter to work but coming from the battery juice, you know? So I wasn't gonna put the inverter next to the engine because it's hot and if it starts to burn up, I'm not gonna know because I'm not there, you know? So let me turn off my truck. And this is a bad area, I tell you that much. I live in Southwest Houston. It's bad in a bad area. A lot of stuff happens. But I am prepared to bear arms, if you know what I mean. But I'm gonna show you what my shop did. So okay, here's the other extension. This is the lights. And this is the extension cord. And I was grinding that down to fit through here. It was just a big, I couldn't do it. So I ended up taking my grill apart and I wedged it through here. I took this part comes off, that comes through there. And This is the extension cord. This one is traveling from the fender out my door because I couldn't figure out a way to stick this big ass extension cord. See, it goes from here and it runs all the way under there. And what I didn't want to do is cut a hole in the firewall and all that stuff. So this is the extension cord to the grill. And if you follow that blue wire, it's running from the battery. Because I couldn't power up my lights from the cigarette lighter. So I grabbed an 8-gauge power wire audio system from an audio shop, my good friend of mine, Johnny Boy, JP Audio on South Lake, and located at Highway 90 in South Lake. He's got great prices. He's always, got so many people there and stuff. Go in there and get an estimate of something. They do tent. They do all kinds of stuff. But I had him install it, put a fuse in case, something's going on, something wrong. The fuses on the inverter will pop first because they're smaller. They're only 30 amps. This is like 150. So this is the power that's running from all the way up there to the firewall. And it's coming inside the truck. It's going inside the truck. I'll show you back here. And the ground is hooked up under here. Well, you can't see it, but the guy said he grabbed it from the bolt right here. See the ground? Try to grab it from the shortest distance possible, even from an amplifier, from something, anything. The ground does not need to be that long. I'm not sure why, but as long as you grab it from a bowl, the chassis, whatever. And I grabbed this on Amazon. Like I said, it was like 30-40 bucks. 400 watt NDDI. There's good reviews on it. I only spend so much. They just screwed on there. Actually, I have my phone charging, so you got 2 USBs and you got two 110s plugins. If you don't want to use it, just turn it off. Everything's cold, nothing hot, not even warm, not one bit. Well, like I said, there's connection back. It's hooked up straight to the battery. I've seen so many videos on here that they don't even grab the inverter power from the battery because they hook it up to their cigarette lighter and they're ready to go. But maybe it's my truck. Maybe I did something wrong. Something ain't right. I don't know. But the extension cord from the front. This is all the lights from the back hooked up. Just plug in, 3-prong, turn it on. And if you listen, there's a cooling fan. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's not loud, it's quiet, but if you really pay attention, it'll come on. But that's pretty much your lights, an extension cord, run it inside, get your inverter. You don't have to get one that big unless you're running a microwave and a refrigerator, But that little box is pretty cool. I'm going to leave it in there because if I have a house charger, a laptop charger, something other than, what I'm saying, my girl might be late to work and, I'm taking her to work. She needs to plug her hair dryer, It'll take a lot of wattage, but it might work. But that's it. From the battery, grab your fuse. Make sure you grab a fuse. Power up your inverter if you're having issues like me. But I've seen people, powering out their Christmas lights just by plugging in their inverter to the cigarette lighter. But maybe it's a truck. I'm not sure. But everything's working as it should right now. So here's a view of the front. I know it's missing some little bitty lights right there. I'm waiting for some more lights to come in. And like I said, I chose this dark, scary alley or business, whatever street, so I can show you guys the lights. But let's come back here. Looks pretty neat. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys liked the video. Hit the subscribe. I make videos every 3 years. I'm just kidding, every other month. I try to be on my grind, making more videos and stuff. But, you know, Merry Christmas to all y'all, and happy holidays, and happy Thanksgiving to all y'all, and drive safe, you know, no drinking and driving. Y'all already should know that. But hope you like my tutorial video, my little lights and stuff, my little decorations. It took some time, but it took about 2 days, a day and a half. But yeah, the inverter stays on because the juice is coming from the battery, which is screwing a good amount of power right now. Maybe I think I can leave it maybe 30 minutes to an hour without turning the truck on, and then I should crank it, you know, before the battery dies. But yeah, you guys let me know what you guys think. Comment below. If you guys have any questions, I'll post down there on my bio down below. On the little box, the little address to the Amazon where I got the you know, the inverter and all that stuff. And I did use zip ties. That's all I use, zip ties. As you can see them here, just zip tied everything. The little strands and stuff, lights, just a bunch of, you don't have to go that far and stuff, but like I said, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time on the next video.